Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, if you clicked on this video, I know that you're struggling with your views, your small channel. So, in today's video, I'm going to be telling you the things I did differently to be able to get 10 times of my normal views. Guys, normally my videos I'll just have like 5, 10, 15, 20. If the video does exceptionally well, I'll get up to like 50 or 60 views. But this particular video and the strategy that I used for it made me get over 200 plus views in this video. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you the strategy that I used to get times 10 of my normal views on this YouTube channel. Okay, so stay tuned and watch to the very end so that you know the strategy that I'm talking about. It really works. Okay, in this video I'll be doing a screen record of my videos, or maybe just put a screenshot of that particular video and my other normal videos, so that you will see what I'm talking about, that I'm not lying, it's true and it works. All right, so first of all, I'm going to talk on how did I get to know about this strategy. I've known about it, like I've had it in my head before, but something happened. Something was happening, and a friend of mine reached out to me. He's a TikToker. He's monetized on his TikTok channel. So he was like, "Hope you know this is going on YouTube. Since you are the YouTube person and I'm the TikTok person, hope you know this is going on YouTube." I was like, "Yes, I'm aware, but yeah, like yeah, that was just it." So I after the conversation and everything, I decided to just make a video. I saw the video, like everybody was making video, but I decided to make this video, and guys, this video took my views from 10 views, 15 views, 60, 70 to over 218 currently. So guys, the big review on this strategy is is what we call the trend. Guys, is what we call the trend strategy. See, I know I've said this thing a lot of times in my other videos. Probably you don't used to watch to the very end, because usually you leave the best for the end, right? So I used to say it, whatever niche you are in, whether it be in medical health, whether you are in cooking or vlogs, or you talk about YouTube growth and strategies, or you're in the finance niche, be checking out for trends, because whenever you make a video on something that is trending, it's going to help you gain more views and sometimes even more subscribers. Because this particular video that I made with the trend that was going on in my niche, I got like extra 2 subscribers from that particular video and over 200 plus views on my on that particular video too. So going for the trends, like anything that is going viral, anything that is trending, a new update in your niche, guys, jump on it. Whether that day is your scheduling day or not, whether you're supposed to upload a video that day or not, make the video and upload it. You will see how the algorithm is just going to push it. Let me give you the reasons why I say so. So I wrote it out here. Let me just read it out to you guys. Why this works is because the YouTube algorithm will simply be riding on the wave of demand. Because as at that time, because it's trending, a lot of persons are searching for it. Do you get? So the strategy is effective because there is massive search in interest, massive search interest. And truth be told, somebody, okay, let's say for example, like the video that got me views was this YouTube update on YouTube taking down AI faceless channels and all of that. So I made a video about it, and that was how I got that extra 200 plus views that I got in that particular video. So the truth is, a lot of persons were searching because most persons are into automation, YouTube auto, like a lot of persons are. I believe that we have more persons who are into faceless YouTube channels compared to the one you show your face, show what you're doing in person. Because most persons nowadays, with the trending, with the rise in AI trends, a lot of persons are going into creating content with AI. So people were scared. Like, they were scared if their channel will be demonetized, for those of them that have already been monetized, or for those that maybe they have not yet monetized but they were scared because they've already started putting out content. Okay, so they want to know if these efforts they are still putting in will still work or not. So a lot of persons were really really searching for it. So that's the massive search interest that I talked about. Then it will help in algorithm boost. Listen, there is something about trends. And I know if you're a content creator here and you've done a trend video before, like something was trending, something that went viral, okay, and you made a video about it. I know you must have gotten like maybe like extra views compared to the normal views you do have on your YouTube channel. Okay. Again, whenever you jump into new trends, you have new audience, like new audience discovery. Like I said, I got extra 2 subscribers from that particular video. I'll be showing you guys. I'll do a screen record and put it on this video and show you guys. So maybe people you couldn't reach out to on a normal with just your normal long form video or even shorts, because of that trend, people were able to find you, discover you. Because one thing about making videos that are trending at the moment is that YouTube, because there is a high search interest, the YouTube algorithm will keep on pushing out such videos. Okay, let's say Mr. A now made a video about that YouTube faceless AI channel demonetization. Me, I made my own. Isn't made her own? Chisom made her own. You get, and we all uploaded, because the YouTube algorithm already know that a lot of persons are coming to YouTube or even on Google or any other search engine to search for these keywords: AI faceless YouTube channel, monetization. The search word that was recommending my video in particular was 15th of July YouTube update. So that's why the SEO optimization and keywords, all of that is very important in your videos. Okay, if you don't know how to do it, I have a video about SEO optimization, like doing settings in your YouTube studio. Okay, I have it and I'll put it up out here. All right, so check in the description or check anywhere. I'm going to put the link. Okay, whenever there is a high interest in search, the YouTube algorithm easily pushes people's video. If the YouTube algorithm have never been pushing your video, just try this strategy. Anything that is trending in your niche, not just any random niche. If not, you're going to kill your channel. Anything that is trending in your niche, try and make video on it, whether that day is your posting day or that day is not your posting day. Make a video about it and post. You see how the YouTube algorithm will push that particular video, and you have the opportunity to you know get new audience, have new people discover your channel, discover what you do and all of that. So you'll be like, how do I find what's trending? Like how I found out about this the AI faceless channel July update was because I have, like, in my own niche, I talk about YouTube growth and strategies, and I already have people who are into this particular niche that I'm in, that I follow. I'm subscribed to their channel, I follow them, I watch their videos. So whenever you have people that are in the same niche like yours, okay, it's easier for you to like get updates from them. Okay, like these people have already gone ahead of you. Like the people I'm following, they have over 30, 50, almost 100 subscribers in their channels. So they are like current, you get, because you are just starting, you might not really have access to some of the analytics that YouTube channel may have, because you're already monetized and all of that. Do you understand? So I'm saying, if you are starting out, try and subscribe to other YouTubers who are in the same niche as you, like those that have already gone ahead of you. Not okay, you're free to subscribe to small channels as you, Chris. I mean, you can learn things from anybody, right? Whether big or small. So, but make sure you have like people that are already big on that niche that you are subscribed to, because you can easily get updates from that channel. Then another place you can get updates from is Google Trends. Like you can always key in words, or just go into your Google Trends, choose the location, whether it's Nigeria, USA, UK, any particular thing you want to make video on. Go there, check for what's the current update. You can screen it with maybe days or hours, or the last past 1 month, or under 24 hours, what's trending under 24 hours, and see if it's the kind of thing you can use to make a video. Then on social media, if you have people you are following on social media, on X, on Facebook, Instagram, yeah, you can always see updates there. And on TikTok too, like I said, this was my friend who just told me on TikTok. Though I saw it on Facebook, like I saw it on YouTube rather. I saw it like the people that I was following, the big YouTubers that I was following, I saw them doing, but I didn't even see it like as something I should jump into. So it was after I had a talk with my friend, that was when like the thing just hit my head. I need to make a video about this. And the updates came like today, and I had a talk with my friend like that same day when he told me about it. But it was already late in the night and I couldn't. I know I could film, but I just wasn't ready. So it was the following day that I even made the video and posted that same day. I didn't even do the normal posting your videos and allowing it to stay 24 hours before you publish. I just posted immediately and the thing got views. So these are the kind of trends you can jump into to like times 10 your normal views on your YouTube channel. Okay. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. So this is me encouraging you, go out there, keep pushing, keep creating content. I know it's not easy. You are just starting, you're a small content creator. I don't have like much persons watching you, but keep pushing. Is this season, is this time that if you scale through, that is when you have the glory at the end of the day. That's when you get monetized, right? So keep pushing. Whether people are watching or they are not watching, just keep producing content that you know that is valuable, that is searchable. That even in the next 1 year, 3 months, people can still search for your content and find you and discover you. Okay. I love you guys and I'm rooting for you. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.